Welcome to 2024 and welcome back to Thorpe Park for our first look at Hyperia in the new year. Now, it's opening this year. It's quite hard to believe it's opening this year. And they've only been back a couple of days. However, we do have some bits to show you today, including work on the maintenance shed, which we'll see very shortly, and a new piece of track, which has just been installed this morning. It's already a hive of activity. Actually, it looks a glorious day here today, doesn't it? It's the 3rd of January today. Anyone that was anyone yesterday knows it was a little bit windy yesterday, so not a lot of work got done. However, they are on site today, so let's show you what's going on down here at Hyperia. The first new track of the year is going in place this morning. It's one of the ground pieces. Now, the park have not really announced opening times for 2024 yet in general. We believe the park's going to open around about the 20th. The reason for this is that's when you can start booking into the shark cabins. Hyperia-wise, they've kept very, very quiet. There's been a lot of questions going their way about when Hyperia will open. They've said they will give more details over the coming months. Now, given in mind the coming months leads up to new season, I don't think they know. Now, we did say initially we didn't think it would be open for opening day. We've said that all along, and I'm still on board that I don't think it's going to be open for opening day. In fact, it won't be open for opening day. I can't see it. Been following roller coaster construction for many, many years, and you know, rides like Soar track was complete now, testing had started. Swarm track was complete now, and testing had started. Stealth was very much the same. Track was complete late September, and testing had started. Now I know that the track is supposed to be up within the month. You know, it's not impossible by any stretch of the imagination. Obviously, when weather pending, they couldn't have done anything yesterday. I just don't see it. I don't see it being open for mid-March. But again, we're going to get some more shots now of what's going on around the station and indeed the maintenance area and indeed on site. But leave your thoughts below. What do you think? When realistically do you think this will be opening? If you like the video, please drop it a like as well. It means the world. Let's get back to the construction site. We were first to show you last time some of the detail going in on the side of the building. Well, more detail has gone in on the side of the building, and we'll get a closer look shortly of more being installed across the top, which you can see being done right now. But take into account this is the maintenance building, Thorpe Park have released images of the front of the station building, which also has some gold trim on. Although people were worried about the corrugated black shed, but I think it's going to look really nice. Whilst we look at Hyperia, you can see that work is ongoing on the other rides and attractions as well, with Colossus being looked at. First piece of track install for 2024. There is more on site, there is definitely more to come. Now, trivial things as well that have been done so far in the new year, because we know we were here when they broke up, and that's doors. I know it sounds really silly, we're not going to go down the fence gate route, but doors. Little things that stop you really seeing inside, fully installed and in use. They may have been there, but they certainly weren't closed. And as you can see in the maintenance area as well, there's some railings, there's some guards up, and quite a lot going on. Actually, it's really incredible if you think about it. It's been sort of 48 hours and so much has happened already. Let's see what else we can capture. Seeing it with blue skies has really piqued my interest even more than what it had. How great is this going to look in the summer sun? Double doors, super exciting times, which means there will be a platform with the winch when the area comes in. So that's it, that's our Hyperia update, our first one of 2024 here at Thorpe Park. I mean, it just looks glorious in the blue skies. I really hope you can pick that one up. I'm sure it's the first time I've seen most of this in blue skies. It's been such miserable weather, but today everything's cleared, the wind has stopped, and it looks fantastic. What do you think? A lot of people are saying this is the most hyped coaster in the world. One of them, along with the one at Europa Park for 2024. Where do you think it's going to rank? How do you think it's going to ride? Do you think it's going to live up to the hype? Thank you very much for watching the video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've had a wonderful new year, and we will be back here as work progresses, as more is installed, as we head towards the opening of Hyperia. We'll see you next time.